what is the importance of hands-on learning, even when you are a leader, right? So,
Okay.
do you do hands-on learning,
Yeah, yeah,
hands-on
yeah. So,
work?
okay. So, if my we have a data team and everything. If, somebody in the data team were to come back to me saying, this is not happening, or this will take 5 weeks, right? Now, if I am not doing something on my own, if I am not in touch, then I'll probably accept 5 weeks, right? Then I'll probably say, okay, this is not happening. Okay, let me just communicate, right? I can be a postman, but I can only be a postman for 1 year. In the next year, they'll fire me, right? So, and also the people who are under me will not respect me until I can solve their problems better than they can solve their problems, right? Otherwise, they're not looking up to me. Otherwise, it's just, a random person who sits on this side of the table or that side of the table, right?
Right.
So it will be very important for us. So, for example, when the whole GPT code interpreter thing came about,
Hmm.
right, we had to, all of us, try and use it to understand how efficient is it, and where does it fail, and what are the possible shortcomings. Because,
Hmm.
tomorrow when we had code that wasn't working, those were the places where we had to look,
Hmm.
right? The other thing in this is, there is a lot of ambiguity, right? Especially where I am, I'm sure it's there in a lot of other places. uh, when you have ambiguity, you'll need to know the closest proxy. If you are not working on the data yourself, you will have theoretical proxies and no idea of what is available in the world, right? And that never works. If the person on top doesn't know what is happening or how well it can be done, everybody else is just going to make a fool out of you.